Okay, what's up, guys? For the first time, he's showing his real hand. This hand.
My intro.
You don't have an intro.
I know.
Channel.
Hello, beautiful people out
Guys,
there.
we had to start this again because he didn't know what he was doing.
Yeah.
And shut up. And he didn't know what he was doing, so.
Bye.
Wait, what were you gonna tell me? Oh, shut up. But because I did a trick, so I'm gonna show you again. Get out! I gotta do it until I get it again. Close the first try. Oh! Oh!
Dab on it.
The dab on it. No, we gotta dab at the same time. Come on.
Oh,
Come on. 3, 2, 1. Dab on it. No, other way.
No,
3, 2, 1.
I can't dab. Whatever that
3,
way.
2, 1.
Okay.
Dab on it.
I can't dab that way.
The Dab Brothers. Your turn. Beat that. Let's see if you can beat that. Beat that. What's he doing? I would laugh if that thing fell. I would laugh if you broke it. Please break it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You swear you're not gonna do it?
I won't do it.
No, please. Ultimate
What's he
fidget
doing?
spinner. Trick.
What the heck?
Ready?
What is this dude doing?
Set. Go. This ain't gonna work out well. Say. That one. Oh, well. No. Oh, I got the perfect idea. Whatever I'm doing this time, it's gonna be bad. Let's see if I can ski to that. Chair. There's a chair over there.
He can't do it. My turn.
Look, Bill. I went over the heart, went into the heart.
Gosh.
Your turn, Bill, to go in the heart.
No.
I call him Jackrabbit because that very good reason.
We'll be a moment, guys. We'll be back in a second. Hold on. Okay, we're back, guys. Now, is it my turn? Yeah, it's my turn.
How long do you want us to make this video, Bill?
We're making it just quite long. Because once we're done with our tricks, we're going to do like horse with basketball. You know how horse with basketball? But instead we're going to do fidget spinners. So say like I'm able to do this.
Yeah, he's able to do that a lot of times.
Or I'm able to do this.
If he can't hear us, just like turn your tablet in.
Well, I'm able to do that. But if I miss it, get out. And if he doesn't and I miss it, if he doesn't not if he doesn't does it, if I do it then miss it, I get a T. And we're spelling fidget spinner. Yeah.
That takes too long.
It's gonna be long, but we're spelling fidget spinner.
This is the error.
We're spelling fidget spinner. We can do this.
I don't know if this is a vlog or a showcase or a freaking game.
Showcase.
I don't know.
No, but maybe, guys. Oh gosh, look forward. I am gonna do Minecraft. Yes.
But I am too.
Oh, Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go.
Play Pokemon Go.
I don't have a channel that receives it.
Now he's not using mine. He's just a guest. But yeah, it's just like basketball. It's so you understand. But listen, you want to do that first, or just do the tricks still? Let's do that. Okay, you go first.
Okay, let's see if I can do this. If I can't, then comment down below if I suck at fidget spinners.
You probably do.
Hit that like button.
Yeah, guys, hit the like button
and subscribe if you want.
That underneath the leg catch is amazing.
Yeah, and subscribe if you want, and if you want to get all notifications, just click that bell beside it.
Yeah, guys, like if that was an amazing trick underneath the leg. Subscribe
2.
And then
Funkos.
now subscribe
I'm actually.
and hit that bell so you get the notifications.
If you want to, you don't have to. It makes fan art.
Stop it!
It makes some fan art.
No!
If you want to. Never mind, don't make fan art.
No one wants to make a
Hey, I always wondered why Spider-Man's fingers were square.
Do the trick. You're just being stupid.
Okay. It's made by Marvel, Stanley. Okay, let's go.
No, it's don't. Shut up. No, it's
Spider-Man
not.
is made by Stanley. He made super cute. No, never mind.
Shut up. You can't say that word. Say it.
I'm trying to camera.
This isn't embarrassing, guys, but it kind of is. You can't say human.
Hey, but you can't even say turtle.
Turtle. I like turtles. Just go.
Wait, that was try to beat this boo if you can.
You can't even do the simple handoff.
Oh, never mind. Go to the words, right?
What are you doing? So what are you doing? So you start with your fingers.
No, I know.
Start with your fingers, then which one do you go to?
I go to every one. To do it. I just go to here. Then
So you know. Okay, I'll just go with two fingers then.
What?
Transit. In the bed!
It's hard.
Stop hitting the bed! Okay.
I got a better trick.
What do I do? Just one hand off, okay. Move out the way. Let a professional do this. Watch a professional do this. Oh, simple. Oh, Unicy. You gotta see this.
I'm sorry about
Hand off. Easy. Okay, neither of us have anything. Can I go first now? See if you can do this.
God. Oh, can I show them something?
No, let's see. Yeah, what?
If you see a fidget spinner passing this bin, it's probably mine.
Okay, can you do this though? Quick!
That thing's cool. I just want to try to get these. The one with the.
See if you can do this. No, I get like 2 times for this one.
I can't do that.
Hold on. If I can't do it in this try. Wait, if I can't do it in this try, you don't have to.
Wait, I have to tell them something.
We move on.
I may make a YouTube channel, so yeah.
Yeah, guys. Once he does, I'll put it in the description below. But let's see if I can do it. Let's see. What's this description? Okay, if I can't do it in this try, you don't have to do it. No, I can't do it.
Okay.
I can't do it again. That was a one try thing, one luck thing. Okay, you do it. I don't get anything because I can do it. No, you don't have to do that.
Oh my God.
You don't have to do that.
Okay. Let's see.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I know you can't do this, but.
Oh, I'm a banger.
Oh, come on. It was right. Oh.
Jeez.
What time is it?
Guys, it's about 2 o'clock, 2:30. But guys, if he falls asleep, you will see a prank. If he falls asleep tonight, you will see a prank.
Okay, that's all. You had to bounce it on your thing.
What?
Your middle finger. You gotta bounce it like this. Not.
Yee. See, easy.
Bounce in there. Oh yeah. Who do you want them to check out?
What?
Like you YouTubers.
No.
So not Dan, not Papa Remote.
They are doing
Not
okay.
Jacksepticeye.
Shut
not
up.
Plier, not
Shut up.
Bruce. Not a speaker.
Shut up, please. Shut up.
Well, guys,
You will see.
I think we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah.
We're done here.
Yeah, we're done.
So we'll see you guys.
Tell us, in the comments. Tell us your fidget spinners. What it means.
Tell us your favorite ones. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya.